Your legal name, what is your legal name, sir?
Sidney, capital SIDNEY, Millard, capital MILLARD, Bay, capital BEY.
Can you, Miss Blake, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Sonora Blake, was Sonora Marie Blake.
Okay, and sir, was your name, are you the person who also goes by Sidney Somerville Millard the Fourth?
No.
That is not you? That was never you?
That is my all caps name. That's not the name that I have.
Are you saying that's a different person though?
No, I'm saying that I am not that person.
Now, Judge, he has sent a de novo to the state, but he hadn't filed it with the court.
If you can both please raise your right hands to be sworn in. You're live on the record in 24 FD 2487. This is an original petition and suit affecting the parent-child relationship with an acknowledgement of paternity. And this was filed by the Attorney General's office on December 6th of 2024. Mr. Millard, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Sidney Millard Bay.
Have you legally changed your name?
Yes.
Okay, so you have a social security card with Bay? And
no.
Do you have a driver's license with Bay?
No.
Do you have a birth certificate with Bay? Cool.
Ma'am, I challenged jurisdiction and we
yes, that was denied, sir. So we are proceeding.
Well, I'd like to proceed to a de novo hearing.
Have you filed that request with the court?
I did. It should be in your paperwork.
Judge, I don't see a de novo filed on Odyssey.
Don't either. You filed that with the district clerk's office?
I did. It was mailed on the 26th.
You might not have received it yet.
It should have been there.
Is that timely, Mr. DeHamajan?
No, Your Honor. Typically, de novos are done within 3 days of a judge's ruling. There hasn't been a substantive ruling in this case, but there's nothing e-filed on Odyssey regardless. The only ruling in this case is that his lack of jurisdiction was denied.
And before we begin, let me swear you in, sir, because even what you just said to me was not said under oath. So again, your legal name, what is your legal name, sir?
Sidney, SIDNEY, Millard, capital MILLARD, Bay, capital BEY.
Can you, and Miss Blake, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Sonora Blake, was Sonora Marie Blake.
Okay, and sir, was your name, are you the person who also goes by Sidney Somerville Millard the Fourth?
No.
That is not you? That was never you?
That is my all caps name. That's not the name that I have.
Are you saying that's a different person though?
No, I'm saying that I am not that person.
Now, Judge, he has sent a de novo to the state, but he hadn't filed it with the court.
If you can both please raise your right hands to be sworn in. Do you each solemnly swear that any testimony you give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I affirm.
Yes.
Okay. So, sir, where did you mail your request to on April 26th?
I mailed it to the Lamarck office.
Okay. So you did not file it with the court. Mr. Division, are you able to read what it was? I just want to make sure it was a de novo and not a new trial.
Yes.
Judge, I can share the screen if you would like.
I asked you to read it.
It's non-standard. The title, he wrote request for de novo hearing. Then he's got his name and he's got an address. And underneath that, attempted to put a style. And then he titled it nunc pro tunc. And then underneath that, he's got request for de novo. Then he's got another title saying notice to the court, requesting de novo hearing concerning the denial of my affidavit of fact of dismissal of lack of jurisdiction. I am requesting a de novo hearing on the following grounds. And he cited several cases as not relevant. And there's a page 2, and he's talking about the postbox rule, which is also not relevant. And then he signed it on page 3, and he's got a jurat.
Objection. I believe that all everything here is relevant.
Okay. I'm going to sustain your objection. However, I am denying, but I'm going to find that your de novo request, I don't need to wait for that because it was not filed with the court and it was not filed timely, even if I considered the AG's office the court, which I do not.
Can you repeat that?
You did not file it with the court and you did not timely file it, even if you had filed it with the court. So we're moving forward today. Mr. DeHamajan, you may call your first witness.
Thank you, Judge.
Well, hold on, Your Honor. I have a question. You saying that it wasn't in a timely manner, but it was on the 26th. And notice to agent is notice to principal. Notice to principal is notice to agent. Once it's in their hands, it's in your hands.
Not good legal advice. I'm denying well, it's not even filed. I'm finding it's not filed with the court and it is not timely. You may proceed, Mr. Davidson.
Thank you, Judge. Judge, at this time, the state requests that you take judicial notice of our petition filed on December 6, 2024.
I take judicial notice of the pleading, including the acknowledgement of paternity that was signed by both parties with their all caps names.
Thank you, Judge. And the state calls Miss Blake. Miss Blake, can you state your name for the record?
Sonora Marie Blake,
Miss Blake, who is your child and how old is he?
13.
Now, when you make important decisions for the child, do you consult it with his father?
Yes, it depends on what the situation is.
You're asking for joint managing conservatorship, right, ma'am? Where you continue making... How old is the child, ma'am?
13.
You're in agreement as to wanting joint managing conservatorship where you continue to make decisions together, right?
Yes.
And the child and dad, they have a good relationship?
Yes.
Now, do you know what Mr. Millard does for a living, ma'am?
He used to work as a lineman on the light poles and stuff, but now I too much don't really know.
Do you know if he's retired?
Yeah, he don't work for them no more.
Now, you said truck. What kind of truck does he drive?
I just seen a big truck, like a, I don't know, I guess there's a 18-wheelers. I don't know what kind of truck it was.
It's a big 18-wheeler truck?
Yes.
Let's talk about retroactive child support. Has he given you any monies in the last 4 years to support your child, ma'am?
Yes, when I asked him, request for it.
If you're going to put a dollar amount, ma'am, how much has he given you in the last 4 years?
All together, what I added up that I had on my cash app, it was like $3,300.
Okay. Ma'am, do you know if he's got other kids?
Yes.
How many other kids does he have?
There's 6 altogether, and
Objection.
One moment. Ma'am, one moment. What is your legal objection, sir?
What's the relevance of my kids being drug into this? Like, I don't understand.
Calculation, sir. You may proceed, Ms. Blake, and I couldn't hear anything you said. So if you can repeat your answer.
6 altogether, about 5 that's living.
Okay, so are you saying one is deceased, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Not counting the one child in this case, there's 4 children outside this case, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I only have one with him.
The 4 kids outside this case, are they all adults? Are they all over 18?
Yes.
Pass the witness, Your Honor. Your Honor, I call Miss Tatiana Young-Cleaton. I don't know if she's been sworn in yet, Your Honor.
Don't believe she has. Can you state your full name for the record, please?
Tosiana Young-Fleeton.
And can you please raise your right hand to be sworn in?
Who do you work for, ma'am?
The Office of the Attorney General. I'm a child support officer. The subtotal $13,870 with a credit of $3,300 for a total of $10,570.
Anyone have any objection to me entering the exhibit? Please, Exhibit 1. Ms. Blake, do you have any objection to State's Exhibit 1?
No, ma'am.
Mr. Millard, do you have any objection to State's Exhibit 1 being admitted into evidence?
I do object.
What is your legal objection?
My objection is that I don't wish to contract. I don't have a reason to contract. I do enough already for Sonora and my son.
I'm going to overrule that objection and admit this into evidence. And do know, sir, you'll get a chance to explain why you don't believe back child support is appropriate. State's Exhibit 1 is admitted. Mr. Millard, do you have any questions for Ms. Young-Fleeton?
I only object to this proceeding because I moved to dismiss. There's no reason for this, and you all have me here.
I'm overruling the objection. Ms. Blake, do you have any questions for Ms. Young-Fleeton?
No, ma'am.
You may call your next witness, Mr. Damasian.
I call Mr. Millard. Mr. Millard, can you state your name for the record?
Sydney Millard Bay.
What do you do for a living, sir?
I have a question. I'd like to know the proper names for yourself, the judge, and the other officer that was here.
Judge, objection,
I believe-
non-responsive.
I believe that there's a conflict of interest here because at least 2 of you work for the state.
I'm going to overrule the objection. My name is Judge Jennifer Baker. Mr. Gary Dehamajan, his name is written right there on the screen. Tosiana Young-Fleeton, her name is on the screen as well. So you may proceed, Mr.
And
Dehamajan.
who are they employed by?
Sir, it says they work for the Office of the Attorney General. You may proceed, Mr. Dehamajan.
Sir,
So everyone works for the Office of the Attorney General?
I don't. You may proceed, Mr. Dehamajan.
what do you do for a living?
So you work for the state.
Objection, non-responsive.
Sustained. Sir, please answer the questions.
I don't work.
Are you retired?
I don't understand. I don't understand where we're going here. I already said what I need to say in this matter, but you guys keep pushing forward. So I'm telling you that I don't want a contract, and you're steady trying to draw me into your jurisdiction, and that's not what I want.
Do you own an 18-wheeler?
I don't understand.
Do you drive a truck for a living, sir?
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Are you refusing to answer my questions, Mr. Millard?
I move the court to dismiss.
I'm denying that request.
Do you live in a home or an apartment?
I live within myself.
Do you pay rent?
Excuse me. I live within myself.
Do you own a car, sir?
I move the court to dismiss.
I'm denying that request, sir. Please answer the question so I can make an appropriate ruling in your case. This is not a contract. International Shoes says I have jurisdiction of you. You were served in Texas. This child lives in Galveston County. We are proceeding with the Attorney General's petition.
I don't understand.
Do you pay rent, sir?
I don't understand.
Do you have a car?
I don't understand.
Judge, the witness is refusing to answer questions.
He's saying he doesn't understand. He might not understand. Ask your questions to the best of your ability, and I'll make my ruling to the best of my ability. You can impeach him if you have impeachment evidence.
Mr. Millard, do you own a phone?
I don't understand.
What are you using?
Watch this carefully, because the entire financial outcome of the case is about to hinge on evidence. The judge is actually giving him an opportunity to reduce what he may owe by proving he already provides health insurance. But courts can't rely on assumptions. They need documents, testimony, and verifiable facts. This is where many self-represented litigants accidentally hurt their own cases.
For Zoom? What device are you using?
This is a tablet.
Okay. So you own a tablet. Do you know what a phone is? Do you know what a telephone is? Maybe he needed to use the full word.
Do you own a phone, sir?
I don't understand
Which part of that did you not understand so he can break it down for you?
any of it. Like I don't understand these proceedings. I don't even understand why I'm here. Like I told you guys that I don't want a contract. I don't need to contract.
Sir,
and I asked the court to move to dismiss.
I'm denying that. This is your chance to provide evidence, sir. Otherwise, I'm just going to make my ruling.
Evidence of what? Of what? That I'm here?
Before me, sir, I can't give legal advice, but I can let you know the issues before me are conservatorship, possession and access, child support, medical support, dental support, and back child support. So that is what I'm going to be ordering today.
And I already do all of that, Your Honor. So I object to this whole thing.
I understand you object, sir, and I'm overruling your objection. Mr. Damasian, do you feel you need any more testimony from Mr. Bay?
No, Judge, I passed the witness.
The state does not represent either party, so I'm going to give you each a chance to let me know if there's anything additional regarding those issues that I just described. Ms. Blake, is there anything additional you'd like to say?
No, ma'am.
And Mr. Millard, is there anything additional you'd like to say?
Yes, I'd like the court to move to dismiss. I object to all of these proceedings.
I'm going to make my ruling and render based on the testimony presented. Before I rule, I'm letting each party know that you do have a right to a de novo hearing before the referring court regarding any decisions I make. That request must be filed with the district clerk's office. I am finding, once again, there is jurisdiction over this matter. The child lives in Galveston, and Mr. Millard was served in Texas. Those service papers are on file with Galveston County, as reflected in my previous ruling. I'm appointing the parties joint managing conservators, with Ms. Blake having the right to determine the primary residence of the children within Galveston and contiguous counties, or any county that touches Galveston. I'm setting child support based on minimum wage. There's one child before the court and no others. I'm finding that nobody has access to private insurance at a reasonable cost. I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake cash medical support of $35 per month beginning May
Objection, Your Honor.
2025. Sir, let me get through my ruling.
Okay, I have to ask, how many of you saw that phone question coming? The attorney is trying to establish basic facts about employment, assets, and financial circumstances. Instead, we've reached the philosophical stage of the hearing where a tablet exists. But apparently the concept of a phone remains unresolved. This is one of those courtroom exchanges that no scriptwriter could get away with because nobody would believe it.
Beginning May 1st.
I have a question.
Sir, let me get through my ruling and then
I have medical insurance for my son.
Okay, you did not testify to that, and you said it was you. I think you might have objected to the question. Where do you have medical insurance available?
I didn't hear the question.
Okay, what insurance? How do you have insurance for your son? Is it through a job? Is it through the marketplace? Is it through a relative?
Proceed, Your Honor.
No, this is important. Where is the insurance from? I don't know.
It's through a marketplace.
Okay, so you have gone on the marketplace and you purchased insurance. Is that true? That's what you're saying? You went online and purchased insurance, or you called and purchased insurance?
Yes.
What company is that through?
I don't know. I don't have the documents in front of me.
Have you provided Ms. Blake with those documents so she can use the insurance?
I did.
And do you know how much it costs per month?
I don't remember.
Is there a place you could go look that information up? It will affect your child support, and it will make your child support lower. So it will help you to look up this information.
I don't know, Your Honor. I don't have the information with me right now.
Okay, are you in your house right now? You don't
Yes.
have it anywhere in your house.
Go ahead, Your Honor.
Miss Blake, do you know that he has private insurance? Miss Blake, has he given you the cards?
Yes, I pulled up a card. I pulled up a card that he sent me, but it doesn't have a amount on here. It just says benefit level, individual, children, the group number,
What company?
member ID, NCE. It says a discount card. That's what it says on there.
So are you on this insurance as well, Mr. Millard?
I only see his name on there. I don't see Raheem's name on here. I'll be a mother.
Yeah, please remember your report. Please watch your language.
Ms. Blake, I just sent you an email. If you could forward that to Your Honor, we've found something out. We've Googled NCE, and it's like what Mom said. It's a discount card. It's not insurance. So I don't know if that would help the court finish its ruling.
That does help. Sir, do you know anything else beyond that, Mr. Millard?
Objection, Your Honor. She just read the other name of the card for the insurance.
The other was, I believe, well,
It's life insurance.
so do you have any other health insurance available?
It's medical insurance, Your Honor.
Okay, can you provide some testimony about that? So, because I can only rule based on evidence before me. I can't go investigate.
That's fine.
And I can't. So I want to hear this testimony, but you need to provide it, sir, because no
That's
health
fine.
information. It's not
That's fine.
I'm supposed to order insurance through your job if you have it, or then through another source if you have it. And then a state plan is supposed to be last on the priority list. So if you have it through another source, which it sounds like you might, I should be ordering that. But I need evidence to do that, sir.
I don't have it. That's
Okay. Does anyone have anything else they'd like to say before I conclude my ruling? So render judgment. I'm ordering the parties joint managing conservators, with Ms. Blake having the right to determine the primary residence of the child within Galveston or any county that touches Galveston County. Mr. Millard has visitation pursuant to the pursuant to the standard possession order, finding nobody has access to private health insurance at a reasonable cost. So I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake cash medical support of $35 per month beginning May 1st of 2025. Finding nobody has access to dental insurance at a reasonable cost. I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake child support of $225 each month beginning May 1st, 2025. And based on the testimony provided today and evidence presented, I'm ordering back child support in the amount of $6,500. That's back child support judgment against Mr. Millard. It will accrue interest for the family code at a rate of 6% per annum. It is not an installment debt. Other remedies can be used to collect this if appropriate. However, I am ordering that Mr. Millard pay to Ms. Blake $50 each month towards that judgment, with a step up to $275 when child support ceases per the family code. And I'm ordering that Mr. Millard pay court costs as billed to Galveston County by April 28th, 2026. So we're going to have you all go back to your breakout rooms so you'll get a chance to review the order in private and confirm it matches the ruling. But thank you both for coming in, and good luck going forward with everything.